opportunity ke sonke apha asizukukhululweni. Lo umi phambi kwenu Nonyameko wakwamanzi. Ngola noMdantsane abe Triple M manager. Namhlanje ngiphathele uba nazi further into yokubana what is this Triple M? Triple M ke it's a macro-mondial movement. Ne? Lo M umele lonto. Okay. Triple M is a self-managed community by participants, aiming in providing each other financial help on the principle of graciousness, reciprocity, and benevolence, which means Triple M akayo Triple M sithi thina abantu bayi community uxhomekeke ukuthi ukuwa kwakhe nokuba active kwakhe uxhomekeke ukuthi thina as participants that simkhipha sibe honest ku system yethu Triple M. Triple M is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Based on Triple M akayo investment company. Apha kuya donate the participants that are donating amongst each other. Ne? Triple M is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money. It connects the one who wants, you are not forced for Triple M, to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. So which means it's a peer-to-peer system. Peer-to-peer system njani. Triple M akanayo i-central account ekuthiwa hayi Triple M account number yakhe isebhankini ethile, no. Triple M revolver amongst i-members zakhe. Isaya apho ukuthi i-circulate njani la indaba yakhe. Triple M ke lona uqale ngo-2011 as a new project apha eSouth Africa of Serge Mavrodi. Serge Mavrodi ngulotata wase-Russia. We created this new fair and financial order as a world mutual aid community, primarily to free people from the bondage of financial slavery. Uzosikhulula Triple M from the financial constraints lesinazo si-community. Sesikhululekile ke thina. At its spirit up at the very first day of its beginning, ne? Serge Mavrodi is the founder and leader of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work. We are pillar, but not the only one. Serge Mavrodi lo, we founder Triple M. We mathematician. Let's degree in mathematics. Ukwasebenza as a programmer, computers is uqala kwazi uza apha. He was one of the founders nazo zokwazi le system. So umcimbi odibene ne systems ungabi naxhala loba this thing is our collapse at some stage. No, ubambile umcimbi unengqondo ngapha ya. He took part in development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. Mavrodi was the deputy of the Russian parliament. Why parliament in Russia? His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies. So uyaya pha koza bookstores okanye upublishe uzawava amabali amabi namahle ngayo kodwa amaninzi mahle. Now, this voluntary network became a community of millions and millions of people, more than 100 countries worldwide. So, which means Triple M lo global. Akakho lapha eMonti cha, akakho se-Russia cha. Uyisasazile lo tata so that abantu could get to know into yokubana naku umtholampilo. Triple M is the fastest growing community in the world. Udala ebafika push be collapse. Hayi Triple M akaka collapse. Udala eqhuba. Cha ke abantu bakuthi baqinelwa ngamakhanda lokubabili nokoyika bese lungelweni ke lokoyika because kudala zifika collapse. But you must only assure that this one I collapse. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. By saying that spare money, so to bona as a interest was bona is out to go through zone ukon ba yonke la mali nayo mandifake pha khawumzame ngespare money sakho ubuyazazi ba ndine 100 rand as eqala 100 rand ukuyokuma 100,000 for a new beginners qala wena phaka bracket ubone ba uqhuba njani na uye unyuka ne ungathathi imali yakho yonke uyoyithi gada pha denze ba ukwazi uziprovela but ke thina sesigadlele yonke into. How does it work ke ngoku xa udeclareisha into bana okay okokuqala masithi apha kwa-MMM kukho ii-terms eziyi-2 asithi apha siya investor okanye siya pledge. No, it's either you are providing help okanye you are receiving help, you are getting help. Uprovide help kuxa ufaka imali, uget help kuxa ukhupha la mali yakho uyifuna. So you are getting ubana ufuna uyajoyina musi futhi provide help xa ujoyinayo. Dala xa ujoyina ngalo funeka ube sozazi ukuba okay mna